Hey girl, how are you? Welcome to the channel. My name is Larry Lawrence La France, and welcome to Hot Mom Production Studios. We are actually here in my beauty room. That is what we call Hot Mom Production Studios over here. We do travel, we do beauty, we do fashion, we do thrift, we do styling, we do a little bit of ranting and raving also. If you want to do all that and you're interested, come on over. You don't need to be a mom. Ain't nobody had to come out of you to be here, okay? Just come on in. I'm going to give you a full update from beginning to bottom, okay? This was a 5-year transformation. We bought this house about 5 years ago. This is what it looked like before. Yeah, it was nothing. It was just an empty room with an ugly floor and some cabinets and a sump pump. And how I turned it into this, my lovely beauty room that I am absolutely obsessed with. I decided to first make it my office. It was just a desk that I had down here. We had painted this wall, one of the walls, a sage green color because I just wanted like something. And plus we already had the sage green paint because I had used it in my son's room. So we already had it. Why would I buy new paint if I already got good paint here that I already like? I already had my vanity set up. Come down here, do some work. It was very much work from home during that time. I would have to like run upstairs to get dressed, run back down. I was doing a workout every time I got dressed. That is actually what made me decide to turn it into a closet a year later. I also didn't want to just like buy something just to buy something. I wanted the closet to be functional. There's a whole video on my Ikea closet. I am obsessed with this closet. It's one of the best big girl purchases that I've literally ever made. All of my stuff. I am very much a fashion girly that swaps out her clothes per season. So when it's spring, summer, the only items that are in here are my spring, summer items. Winter, fall, same thing. I could absolutely grow into this. I love the jean pull out right here. These are not all my jeans, but I can easily see all of my pants and just get dressed. I also love my drawer with like all of my jewelry. Everything is really nicely organized. I used to have the hardest time getting dressed and getting my jewelry on because I would just have earrings all over the place. I couldn't see them. I didn't know what was going on. I couldn't find nothing. I don't lose jewelry anymore. When I am missing something, I can tell right away. I didn't put those earrings back. Where are those earrings? And I love the glass top here. Put all my perfumes up here. It's very durable. I've had no problems with this. And what I also love is I still have space to hang things. So this closet absolutely gives you room to grow, and that's what I wanted. I love the drawers. The drawers in this thing are deep.
That's what she said.
Fit so much. I can fit more into these drawers. Other two things that I have in here is I wanted my shoes to be on display. So I don't know if y'all remember a few years ago, there was like an Ikea closet hack and people were going to Target and using the bookcases, and I followed suit because back in the day I was a Target girly. I should have never bought them bookshelves and pretended like they could be a closet. They are very unstable. Like we've had to put like different support on the side so that they don't lean because they're leaning. Like they look like they're about to fall any day now. So I will probably invest in some shoe racks from Ikea and just make this whole room complete. I think my closet was $3,500. So I decided to like spruce up my beauty room quick, and I did like a quick DIY with these flowers. I just love these flowers. I just want something pretty for me to look at over this big monstrosity of a sump pump cover. I just think it's just really cute, and sometimes I film in front of it. So now fast forward, the room does not feel like me. The room is like this like white builder's paint. It would get like really dirty. It just looked kind of dingy, and the room just looked very bleh. It looked very beige, and I don't like that. I'm a very vibrant person. I wanted my room to truly speak to me. I literally went to Pinterest and typed in color palette. I also looked color palette with pink and green because I already had a sage wall and I didn't feel like moving my Ikea closet to repaint the sage wall. Actually, my husband told me,
I'm not repainting that wall, okay? So you gonna have to make it work.
The sage wall became my accent wall because I had parameters to work within. I ended up finding this color palette. It worked perfectly. I loved the bold maroon color. I loved the different greens. This is what can work with what I currently have. So I will say, if you're doing like a room makeover and you're trying to do it on a budget, or you're trying to be efficient with your time, is try to pick a color palette or something that you already have that works with something that is already in your space that you like. I wanted the maroon to not be super dark, but I didn't want it to be purple, if that makes any sense. I wanted it to be like bold. I wanted it to still have some brightness to it. And I wanted it to be dramatic, but I didn't want it to be scary. I decided to go with the color Plumberry by Valspar. I just thought she was the perfect shade. I think I picked the Valspar Reserve paint, and that was because it had a primer in it already. It's easy to clean, it resists stains. I do my makeup in here, and you know, girl, I've literally had a blush palette fly out of my hand onto the wall, okay? I have flung my concealer onto the wall. All right, so I needed paint that I could easily like clean up real quick. I did about 1 can of paint. I still have paint left over. I decided I want to do some good decor. I really wanted to add some green tones in here. So I found this gorgeous green rug from Ashley Furniture. I love the checkered pattern. I loved the green. I like the fact that there's like a darker green and a lighter green in here. I like that because it just makes it easier for me to add more green accents. I think what I really liked about the color palette that I chose is I didn't have to be matchy-matchy. Like I didn't have to get this particular shade of green. I could get all types of greens that are within like the same kind of color palette family. And that's what I really like about this rug. It's so soft. It's easy to vacuum. By the way, y'all, everything that I use to decorate this beauty room, I'm gonna have it linked down below. Next thing that we did is I wanted to do another piece of decor is I got this beautiful soft chenille throw. I got it from Marshall's for like 20 bucks. Wanted a way to like pull in the wall into the color palette so that it made sense with the room, and just getting a sage throw that matches it did that. It looks like everything is like cohesive and it like is coming along. The next thing we do, which I think this is probably my favorite part, I wanted art in here. I went to Home Goods and I found this like so cool, funky art deco picture. Fell in love with it because there was green, there was maroon, there was paint. This is everything. It had a gold frame, and if y'all don't know, I love gold. Against the wall, tell me that ain't fire. Tell me it ain't fire. Against that wall, you know it is. You know it is. I found these mirrors. I'm very much a mirror girly. I just think mirrors just add a level of sophistication. They add light, they reflect. They're just, mirrors are everything. Decided to like use these to kind of anchor the frame. And then I also put like a sconce art lighting on top because this area of my beauty room has no light. And when you open the door, it just looks dark. But with the lighting, it just, you walk in and it just like, girl, it just gives grown. It gives grown and sexy vibes. And I just hope that by you guys seeing this transformation, you can see how like, if you really put some thought into it, you take some time and you make sure that you're using things that already work with what you have, you can truly make a space the way that you want it and encompass it the way that you want it to make you feel. Comment below, let me know, do you like my room? If you don't like my room, keep that to yourself. Let me know if there's anything you guys think I could add, what you guys think would be super pretty in here. Like I said, I'll have everything linked down below. I will see you on the next upload. Be safe, be blessed, and don't let them people at work stress you out. Okay, bye.